YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy, Shotty. What's happening with you? It's been a year. A lot's been going on. I think the last time I talked to you guys, I was still doing my vlogs, and I was talking about buying a home. Well, I bought a home. Signed on this house back in March. Haven't been buying sneakers, haven't been buying much of anything at all. But I do have a pickup for you guys today. Actually, just hot off the truck. Just got it in the mail today. It's a super recent release, a hot release, and I just want to share that with you guys really quick. I figured I'd break out the camera. Alright, so here's the box. Like I said, hot off the truck, came from Nike. I didn't think I'd get my hands on it. Quick story about this. So I was on the sneakers app trying to purchase these shoes. I was in line waiting, and then what ended up happening was I got a message that said these were purchased, and then it said sold out. So got a little nervous. Called up Nike real quick and was like, hey, what's going on? Like, I see that you guys took my money for one, and two, it said it was purchased, but now it says sold out. And so the lady on the phone was like, yeah, let me check on that for you real quick. So she goes through my information. She's like, well, I just want to let you know that your order did go through, and you'll get a confirmation soon. She's like, you were the first person that called that actually got the order of the shoes. So I was like, whew. I had my boy looking out for me. He didn't get a pair. He was one of the victims that took an L on him. So I was very happy to get these. And these came super fast. Here it is Monday. Shoes came out, they dropped on Saturday. So, you know, I had to bring this to you guys really quick. So here's the official unboxing. Let's check it out and see what we got. Like I said, you guys, I haven't picked up a sneaker in a hot minute. But as soon as I saw these, I was really excited. And here's the official tissue. Got the receipt. Air Jordan 1. I mean, you could probably already guess what it is. Like I said, it was a release that dropped this weekend. And let's check it out. Ooh. Ooh. Here we go. The Air Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. So on the box, let me take these out really quick for y'all. On the box it gives us Golden Harvest, Black Sail. Those are the colors. And woo, woo, woo. Super dope. I think so. We've got, man, that ultra tumble leather mixed with that suede nubuck. Ooh, soft to the touch. I mean, the leather feels extra crispy. You got the red laces, extra red laces here. Again, you've got that. I guess it's at the Sunday Harvest. What do they call that? The Golden Harvest color. I never heard. I'm gonna call them wheat. They look like a wheat color, and I'm a sucker for some wheat, and it's perfect timing for it. You've got the white midsole, you got the black outsole, and again, that super crinkly tumbled leather. It's crazy, y'all. It looks crazy. Then you got the black leather check, also in tumbled leather, and then you've got the white nylon tongue. And then, oh snap, yo, on the tongue, that's leather, yo, the little leather patch on the tongue, that's a dope touch with the red. Yo, I'm hyped, that's dope. But I'm so corny, man. I mean, it's just the little details and things like that you get mad excited about. And yeah, that's dope, I like that. The best part is on the inside flaps of the wings. I mean, first of all, it's, you know, it's detachable, it's flappable, all of that stuff. So on this side it says 1984-85 Rookie of the Year, 2,313 points, 28.2 points per game. I don't know if you guys can catch that, I don't know if that focus is in there right. And on the other side here, it says, this award is nice, but I just feel like it is very important for each individual to go out and contribute to his team. MJ. So, really dope touch. Yeah, man, I don't even know what else to say, man. This is ill. The black laces is dope. I don't know if I would switch them out, but I plan on keeping these and rocking these one day soon. Let me see if there's anything different on the other shoe, and it doesn't look like there is. Let me see if I pull this out real quick. On the inside, you got that same golden harvest or wheat, whatever you want to call it, on the insole. Size 12, my size, of course. Yeah, man, y'all post a comment below. Let me know what you think. Did you cop? Did you sleep on these? You think they was just whatever? You know, it's not an OG colorway or anything like that. So, and plus that weekend, the hot weekend, a lot of different shoes came out. You had the Union Jordan 1 collaboration that came out in the 2 colorways, that blue and then the black toe. So that was a very, very hard release to come by. So stay tuned, y'all. I might have some stuff coming in the near future. You know, once I get this video bug, I just start going. So, you know, who knows? I might show you guys what's in the vault. You know, I might not. I might take you on a quick tour of the vault. Now I've got a place to keep all my sneakers, which is a blessing. You know, I don't rock too many of them anymore. Matter of fact, I have put up a few of them for sale. So, you know, a lot of things have changed in the past year, but I'm happy to have this release. I'm excited about these. I'm definitely gonna be rocking these. And shouts out to everyone out there, man, who's still doing their thing, who are still in it for the culture, who still have a love for the sneakers. You know, I still have a love for the sneakers. I just don't have a desire to purchase the sneakers anymore. You know, I look at these more of a commodity now, more than a hobby. So, you know, when I'm at that point in my life, I think it's definitely time for change. But again, you know, sometimes I run across some things that catch my eye, and you know, I can't pass on it. And these would be one of those opportunities. So thank you guys for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.